How to add library to Plex. Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can add library to your Plex. So in order to create or add library to your Plex, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you have to go and install or log in into your Plex account. So once you're logged in, that's going to directly take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, you'll be taken to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So just go ahead and tap on the accept all button or enable the permission. And while you're logged in, tap on the tab bar icon from the top left hand side, and from here you need to go ahead and tap on the gear icon. As you click on the gear icon, then it's going to take you to the settings page. So over here you need to go to manage library access. After that, you need to select library under the manage section of the settings menu and click on add library. After you've done that, you need to select the library type from the section, and basically that's how you can add library to your Plex. So in this way you can add library to your Plex. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.